Some actions by federal agents in Operation Metro Surge in Minnesota are now restricted. That's under a preliminary injunction issued by a U.S. district judge on Friday. In it, the judge said agents are not allowed to arrest peaceful protesters or stop people in their cars without cause, among other things. Some specifics in the judge's order: agents cannot use pepper spray or other non-lethal munitions on peaceful demonstrators. The Department of Homeland Security responded. It said it is, quote, taking appropriate and constitutional measures to uphold the rule of law and protect our officers and the public from dangerous rioters. The judge's order stays in effect until the operation is over or when, quote, conditions change that it is no longer necessary. The Justice Department is investigating whether Minnesota's Democratic Governor Tim Walz and Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey interfered with ICE. A person familiar with the matter told CNN that a grand jury issued subpoenas for both men. Walz and Frey have openly opposed the surge of federal agents in Minneapolis. It comes after more than a week of immigration crackdowns in the city. The operation led to the deadly shooting of Renee Good by an ICE agent. That was followed by another shooting this week where a federal agent shot and wounded a man. Meanwhile, more than 24 Democratic lawmakers hosted a hearing over President Trump's operation in Minneapolis. They heard testimony from city leaders and locals impacted by the surge of ICE agents. During the hearing, lawmakers said they intend to hold up funding for the Department of Homeland Security.
I mean, there's a number of very specific things that we have to see before we can release any more funding to agencies that are already overfunded. And now using that as a federalized military force to come in and terrorize U.S. citizens, permanent residents, people of all visa statuses.
State and local law enforcement agencies are already preparing for more protests this weekend, all while President Trump is threatening to invoke the Insurrection Act and send more troops to the city.